Welcome to my honest review of Simply Yoga, where we'll take a detailed look at what this website offers and whether it lives up to its reputation as an excellent online yoga platform. Right from the start, Simply Yoga greets you with a clean and inviting homepage that emphasizes its focus on simplicity and accessibility. The interface is intuitive, with clear navigation bars leading you to various sections, such as beginner courses, advanced tutorials, and additional resources like yoga philosophy and meditation guides. Once you sign up, you gain access to a robust library of yoga classes tailored to all skill levels. The classes are categorized thoughtfully, making it easy to find what suits your needs. Whether you're seeking a quick morning stretch, a stress-relieving session after work, or a power-packed flow to build strength, each class features a detailed video tutorial led by professional instructors, ensuring clarity and proper guidance. The website also includes options to customize your practice. For instance, users can select classes based on duration, focus area, and even the desired level of intensity. This personalized approach is a major strength, as it ensures that both beginners and experienced yogis feel catered to. Additionally, Simply Yoga offers progress tracking, where you can monitor the classes you completed and set goals for your practice. The site's design is mobile-friendly, making it a great choice for those who prefer practicing yoga on the go. However, one downside is that some features, like advanced filtering options and specific premium classes, are locked behind a paywall, which may deter users looking for a fully free experience. The pricing, while reasonable for what is offered, could be a factor worth considering for budget-conscious users. Overall, Simply Yoga provides a vast array of resources to enrich your yoga journey. Its sleek design, quality content, and flexible options make it a solid choice for online yoga enthusiasts. If you're looking for a well-rounded platform to practice yoga at your own pace, this might just be the solution you're looking for. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more reviews like this.